Okay, this is the questions combined with the statistics and probabilities. First of all, for part A, we are going to find K. So what is K? K actually is talking about the number of students who read 24 books. Okay, and then what information we have? First of all, we know that the probability that the selected student read fewer than 26 is 7/10. That means fewer than 26 including 23, 24, 25 books, right? So the number of students here should be 12 plus k plus 16. Okay, so for doing these questions, first of all, we should consider the total number of students. That means 12 plus k plus 16 plus 9 plus 11 plus 4. And then for the numerators will be the number of students who read fewer than 26 books. Okay, so it should be 12 plus k plus 16. And then the probability is equal to 7/10. So we can develop an equation like this. So after simplify the left hand side, it become 28 plus k, and then for the denominator, you become k plus 52. So when we do the multiplication on both sides, okay, both sides, so 280 plus 10k equals to 7k plus 364, so 10k minus 7k, 364 minus 280, so here become 3k equals to 84. So final answer, k is equal to 28. Alright. Okay, so for part A is the question like probability, but the second part, part B, is about statistics, because we are going to find the range, the interquartile range, and then the standard deviation of the distribution. That means we have to answer 3 questions. Okay, so here I would like to do it one by one. So for part B, we are going to find the range. Range actually is equals to maximum value minus the minimum value. For the maximum value, because we are talking about the distribution of number of books, all right, because for the question here is about the distribution of number of books. So the maximum value should be related to number of books. That means 28 is the maximum, and then 23 is the minimum. All right, that's why finally the range is equal to 28 minus 23, so it should be 5. Is it all right? And then for the interquartile range, actually is equal to Q3 minus Q1, right? So how to find Q3, Q1? Maybe we can express it this way. So first of all, there are 12, 23. So that means for 23 books, actually here are 12. And then 24 books, there are 28. And then 25, there are 16, 25. And then 9, 26. And then so on. 11, 27, and then 4, 28. Alright, so the total should be 80 in total, right? So for 80 in total, actually we need to cut it into half first in order to find Q3 and Q1. So for the half, should be 40, right? And then 40, we can break it on the left hand side, we can break it into another half. So another half, the Q1 here is 20 here, so it should be 24. Okay, And then for the other side, right hand side, for the half should be 20 here. Okay, so Q3 should be 26. So finally the interquartile range should be 26 minus 24, so it becomes 2. Okay, so for the standard deviation, it's better for us to use calculator to do so. So let's watch this video to see how we can use calculator to find the standard deviation. Alright, make sure you should the mode of the calculator should be SD mode. Okay, after that, then plus shift 9 1 to ensure all data clear. Alright. So first of all, in order to input the information to get the standard deviation, because there are 12, 23, so we just put 23 first, and then plus shift, and then comma, because there are 12, 23, so we input 23 and then plus n plus. And then do the similar way to 24, and then shift, comma, and then k is 28, so it is 28, and then do the same way, and then 16, and then n plus, and then 26, shift, comma, and then 9, and then 27, shift, comma, 11, n plus, and then finally 28, shift, comma, 4, n plus. Okay, so after you input this 6 set of data, so shift, then 2. Okay, this one, first one represents the mean, and then second one represents the standard deviation, so plus 2, and then plus enter. So the standard deviation should be 1.4317275. For fifth and figure should be 1.43. Okay, so after obtaining this, just simply because we are just write down the standard deviation, so for the SD is equals to 1.43. Okay, that's it.